Hey everyone, it's Emily Carter, and today we're diving into Microsoft's stunning Q3 2025 earnings. While everyone's watching Nvidia's GPU headlines, Microsoft quietly delivered one of its most powerful quarters ever and positioned itself as the real superpower of the AI age. Earnings per share? $4.13. That's a 12.8% beat. Revenue? $77.7 billion, another 3.2% surprise. But what really matters here isn't the numbers. It's where the growth is coming from. Microsoft Cloud is now a $168 billion business, growing 23% year over year. And Azure, the company's AI backbone, just hit $75 billion in annual revenue, up 34%. Let that sink in. 34% growth at this scale is massive. Behind it all, a relentless push into artificial intelligence. The Copilot family now has over 100 million monthly active users. GitHub Copilot alone, used by 90% of Fortune 100 companies, just past 20 million developers. And Azure AI Foundry, it processed over 500 trillion tokens this year, 7 times more than last year. So while others are still building AI tools, Microsoft has quietly built the world's AI operating system. To keep up with AI demand, Microsoft isn't slowing down. It's scaling like never before. In October, the company joined BlackRock and Nvidia in a $40 billion deal to buy Align data centers, one of the largest AI infrastructure investments ever made. And on top of that, Microsoft signed a historic contract for 200,000 Nvidia GB300 GPUs across the US and Europe. These systems will power Azure's next generation of AI supercomputers, the physical foundation for everything from Copilot to OpenAI's next models. It's not just cloud anymore. Microsoft is literally building the AI grid for the next decade. And here's what's really impressive. Microsoft's balance sheet remains bulletproof. They've got $191 billion in cash, $112 billion in total debt, and operating cash flow over $136 billion. That's more than the GDP of many countries. Yes, they're spending heavily, over $30 billion next quarter for AI infrastructure, but they can easily afford it. Even with all this investment, Microsoft has raised its dividend for 20 straight years. That's consistency at the top of innovation and stability. Now, let's talk valuation, because that's where the debate heats up. At around $513 per share, Microsoft trades at 38 times earnings. A premium, no doubt. But with analysts expecting earnings to grow nearly 19% a year and a 12-month price target around $620, investors are betting that Microsoft's AI momentum is just getting started. In other words, Wall Street isn't paying for what Microsoft is today. They're paying for what it's about to become. Of course, it's not all sunshine. Azure remains capacity constrained through mid-2026. Regulatory scrutiny is heating up around cloud dominance. And that huge AI spending, it's pressuring free cash flow. But if you're betting on who can monetize AI at scale, Microsoft is still miles ahead of everyone else. Think about it like this. Microsoft isn't just an AI software company. It's becoming the backbone of global computation. From your PC and Xbox to the world's largest AI clusters. So yes, it trades at a premium. But when you're powering the AI revolution itself, that premium might just be the new fair value. Bottom line, Microsoft's Q3 2025 results show a company that's not slowing down. It's accelerating into the AI future. So what do you think? Is Microsoft the safest AI play in the market, or are investors overpaying for perfection? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss the next deep dive.